Welcome to Wallachia. My name is Sorina and I'll be your host for a few minutes. The south of Romania comprises two distinct regions with their own culture and history. Oltenia, along the river Olt, full of colors, bursting into song and cherishing ceramics going back thousands of years. It is this region that inspired the column on which these boxes stand today. Constantin Brâncuș famously stated, "To see far is one thing, going there is another." We went far, and it is from far away that we link back to the beauty of this land, its skill, its architecture, discovering the Candia Tower, a structure which was built starting from 15th century during the second reign of none other than Prince Vlad the Impaler. Finished in the 19th century, it is a continued contrasting combination of feasting, partying, and duty, a balance most Romanians achieve perfectly. Crossing into Muntenia, we find ourselves in front of one of the most beautiful examples of Neo-Romanian architecture. But of course, I would say that it is in fact the upper part of my high school, the Ion Luca Caragiale High School of Ploiești. I'd stand in front of it every morning, reminding myself that I had chosen to study there, and I was proud of it. It is Caragiale that spoke of my town, saying, "In the space of our century, a very interesting state was born and ended, one that no scrupulous historian should ignore. I wish to speak of the Ploiești Republic, a state which, although it has lasted only 15 hours, has for sure marked a celebrated page in contemporary history. Born out of, through, and for the people, at around 2 o'clock in the morning of August 8th, 1870, the young republic was smothered on the same day, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Never mind. The greatness and importance of states are not judged by their extent and duration, but by the more or less brilliant role they have played in the universal system. Finally, you'll discover the beautiful Belu Manor house from the place called Urlați, built at the end of the 19th century, belonging to a Romanian baron, Alexandru Belu. Most of the building was lost in the 1977 earthquake. However, what you see displayed today was rebuilt following the original plans and is now part of a living museum. If you look inside, the first thing you'll notice is the map of Greater Romania, a time in history where all Romanian territories and all ethnic groups came together under Queen Mary and Ferdinand. It had to hang in these walls, as the first time the unification of Romanian territory came about was around 1600, under the kingdom of Michael the Brave, the ruler of Wallachia in those times. It is a dream we all aspire to, even today. On the walls, a modern image of this region, rich in oil and gas. Look it up, Operation Tidal Wave. In contrast, an ancient depiction of the majestic bird sitting in the tree of life, two motifs frequently encountered in the hand-woven rugs in the south. And to bring everything together, what else but the Cucuteni spiral? Time is relative in these parts. Past and present melt into future, keeping us ever connected. Outside, a few symbols, some more visible than others. The rooster of Horezu, a dancer on a woven rug, and of course, the Sphinx of Bucegi, one of the regions of the Carpathian Mountains. Did you know there are approximately 10 sphinxes in Romania, all sculptured by nature? Last but not least, the bridge. Do you think it is in the right place? Linking Dobruja and Wallachia. The rail bridge is one of the oldest in Romania, 1863. 14 tunnels and 9 viaducts. Check it out on YouTube. We could go on and on about this region, but maybe you'd like to reach out and tell us what you'd like to know. For now, we thank you for stopping by, and we hope you have enjoyed this exhibition.